quick tips. So you've just built your quadcopter. You plugged it in and you got no video. I'm gonna teach you how to quickly figure out which component is bad just by what you're seeing on the screen. Let's get right into it. So you plug in and you've got a static screen, and you know what channel your VTX is supposed to be outputting on, and you're still getting just static. That means your VTX is not working, period, end of story. Replace it, you'll get video. If for some reason you have black screen with just OSD, that means you've left your screen cap on. Take it off. If it's not that, so you got OSD and just black screen, that means your camera is bad, or your video link in between your wiring is not good. Replace your wiring, test your wiring, and if that doesn't work, replace your camera and you will fix the problem. And the last and final issue is you have no OSD, but you have a picture, and that is a problem with your flight controller, or you've mistakenly wired your camera directly to your VTX and you didn't go from the camera to the flight controller to the VTX. And those are the three simple ways to tell which component it is, the three components. So I hope this helps. If it does, give me a thumbs up. If you're just here to watch the video, give me a thumbs up, that's cool too. And 85% of you have not punched that subscribe button. So go ahead and do it, because it's fun. And I'll catch you later. Peace.